When I first saw the advertisement for Italy and I shared it with my partner, he said, "Oh yeah, that looks like it's going to be a whole lot of fun. It's going to be this and that. It's going to be, you're going to have a great time." And, you know, one could look at that and say, "Oh, this looks like it is absolutely a gift that the IRS is going to help you with and you're going to have a gas." That is not the truth. The truth of the matter is that you do take an absolute time out from your practice. You're away for the practice, far away for a specific reason, to break you from being in the day-to-day mess of your legal practice. You don't have real access to your text messages. You don't really have access to that. You're deliberately taken away to stop and pause and think about how you're living your life. Allow yourself to be confronted with, you know, the notion that life is short and you have choices. You can choose to live your life in a really crazy, confrontational manner, or you can pause and think about it for a little bit. Before I went to Italy, if anyone had said to me that I would ever employ meditation for any purpose whatsoever, I would say they need to have a couple martinis. The fact of the matter is that once I was exposed to it and just seeing how it can just calm you down and help you sort out things in your life, in your practice, and help you find clarity and get better judgment skills to come to bear on the situation, that is one of the many things I brought back from Italy. And you know, what happens at the end of this is you have a built-in community in Seattle from a diverse group of attorneys that you can call on and just go out to lunch with and just touch base with one another. And I mean, I would encourage anyone to really take a long, hard look at doing this because it is worthwhile.